Hi, thanks for joining us today to talk about the new 2020 Form 941 for all of your payroll tax filings for the remainder of the 2020 payroll tax year. I'm here with Dickey. Ann is a CPA and a payroll manager from our team at AEM Workforce Solutions. And my name is Leah Davis. I'm a partner at Abdo, Eick, and Meyers and president of the AEM Workforce Solutions team. So welcome, Ann. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Well, we're really kind of coming at our clients and any interested parties today to just make sure that they've got some ability to make sense of all the new changes with the Form 2020. I don't know about you, Ann, but it has just been a flood of questions coming in related to this new form. Are you seeing the same thing from your clients?
Yes, and the questions are kind of all over the board. I mean, I feel like there's a little bit of everything that's been asked. So yeah, there's just a lot of new things on the form.
Agreed. An entirely new and additional page even at that.
Yes.
So what we're going to tackle today, I'll just provide a quick high-level overview, and we'll just try to knock out some of the individual questions one by one for anybody that's struggling with some of these. So really high level, the new 2020 Form 941 was released by the IRS in final draft form mid-June. And we knew that this was coming because of all of the coronavirus relief legislation that has happened in the first quarter of the year that really impacts payroll. So everything from the Families First Coronavirus Relief Act, or we'll refer to it as the FFCRA, those are those mandated emergency sick leave and family leave payments that employers are required to pay out. And then on the flip side, the related credits and refunds for employers who are eligible. And then it also reflects some of the other tax credit opportunities that some employers are able to take advantage of under the CARES Act, things like the employee retention credit and payroll tax deferrals for the employer Social Security tax. There's also some actually really good instructions that the IRS has put out with the new form, the new draft form. So they're very helpful, and I really encourage employers to start there when they have questions. Within those instructions, they've added worksheet 1 to the Form 941 instructions. And this really is important for employers to understand that they're going to need this form, or they're going to need their software platform that they're using for payroll to be using this form in the background to run calculations and document the tax credit eligibility, both for the FFCRA credits as well as the employee retention credit. And that form, from what we're seeing from the IRS, they're expecting that form to be retained as a sort of matter of record with the 941 filings to substantiate some of the totals that are reflected on the actual form. And then, I know you and I have talked about this, Ann, but important for employers to remember and recognize that there have been no filing extensions made available for payroll tax forms. So second quarter 2020 Form 941 is still due by July 31st, 2020. So even though your personal and business or organizational tax return got an extension, that has not been on the table for payroll.